welcome back. So this is kind of like day one of the staycation. So we're just doing one night here, but tonight we're gonna be exploring all of French Quarter, and I think tomorrow morning we're gonna go to Riverside, because it's really big. So I don't know if you want to try to do both tonight. I think it's gonna be a lot. So it's already 9:15, but we're gonna go out and explore, and I want to take you guys along, kind of looking around the resort. So let's go. It's so cute with all these like lampposts, and it just like, look at this like little sidewalk. Look at it. It's so cute. It doesn't look bad with the flash. And the buildings, they're actually really close to the lobby. Lobby is right there. And our building is right here, but it's actually starting to rain. You know when I did not bring my poncho? Like, I have it in the room. I just didn't put it in my fanny pack. Oh, look at the sky. It looks purple there. That's cool. So I made it into the gift shop because it started to rain really hard. Oh my gosh. So these are the resort specific ears. These are the beignets. Wait, these are so cute. Wait, I love these. I think these are Riverside ones. Aww. And then this one is the French Quarter. Beignet all day. Well, we're gonna be getting beignets. Stop. This is so cool. Oh my god, I need to buy this before we go. I buy a tumbler from every resort I've stayed at. Port Orleans, we've got Tiana. They do? Look at this little Christmas ornament. It's so sweet. Is it focusing? I can't tell if I'm blind or if it's focusing. Is this the Frog Prince?
I think it's a notebook.
No, please tell me it's an actual book.
It might be a notebook. Yeah, it's a notebook.
Oh, dang it. How cute would it have been if it was the actual book?
But that is so cute though.
And like those edges are sprayed gold, which is so pretty.
And Tiana's cookbook.
And Tiana's cookbook.
What's happened?
This is a cute mug. It's like matte. It's really cool. Look at this cool stuff behind the counter. So this is the lobby. And it looks like you're outside, but you're not. You're actually inside, which is great. And we're gonna head over there so you can get beignets to go there, but we're gonna try to head into the lounge because I think you can beignets in there too. So we're in the lounge. We're about to get a table, but there's jazz playing. This is so cool, like a little jazz club. And they gave us menus for drinks and then appetizers as well. I can't believe I've never been here. Like, excuse me, it's so cute in here. The vibes are immaculate. And it's first come, first serve. You gotta jump on a table, the waiter told us, even if the table's dirty. So apparently this place gets really busy. Alright, our drinks just came. I got a strawberry mojito. And what did you get? Pomegranate lemonade. So we got a pepper jelly cheese frittata. And then this thing, the waiter recommended. It's like potato puffs with, I think that's pork, right?
Yeah.
And it's pico de gallo. And we have beignets coming afterwards. And there are the beignets. The food was really, really good, right?
Yes, it was absolutely amazing. If you guys go to Scat, get the, what was it? The potato puffs?
The potato puffs and
the
fritters.
pimento cheese fritters.
Yes.
And the beignets, obviously.
Yeah. It was really, 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 really good. The kitchen was closing at 10, and we
Yeah.
ordered it at like 9:50. And
Not
so, like,
even, like 9:55.
Yeah, you're right. And so, like, you would think that, because sometimes when you order things last minute, it's kind of just like rushed in the kitchen, because like
No.
they just want to get out of here. But no, it
Super
was
fresh.
crazy fresh. I would definitely recommend going there, and the vibes were amazing. The band left for like a break and then came back, so that was really, really fun, like having them come back before we left, because they were so good and talented. But now we're gonna head back to the room because we feel very sticky from today, from all this sweat. Like, we spent the whole day in Magic Kingdom, which is in a different vlog, but yeah, it was very hot and we're sleepy. So we're gonna head back to the room and maybe mess around with that Mickey thing a little bit more and then go to bed.
Her great loch had ever been seen. Shy Nessie lived life on the moors of Glen Keane.
It's reading us a bedtime story.
She was rumoured a monster, which wasn't quite right. For she was really a softie, with no bark and no bite. And with wee friends she had, the kind, loyal and true, they played hide and seek in a pond just for two.
All right, we got back to the room. I showered. We're gonna go to bed because we're tired. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.